Welcome, geniuses. I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video. The question is from October-November 2005. And the question's one. The number of words on a page of a book can be modeled by a normal distribution. All right, with mean 403 and standard deviation 26.8. Okay, so to put down the information from the first sentence here, I will put it down as this. X is the number of words on a page, and it follows normal distribution where the mean is 403 and the standard deviation given is 26.8. But when I write in this form, it should be written as the parameter, so I put a square here. Now, find the probability that the average number of words per page in a random sample of 6 pages is less than 410. So be careful of this keyword average here. Is actually looking for the mean, correct? So that means we are looking at sample mean distribution. Okay, the number of words per page is given as a normal distribution. Hence, the average number of words per page, which is the X bar, should follow normal distribution as well, where it has the same mean of 403 and the variance 26.8 need to be divided by the sample size given by the question, 6 pages divided by 6. Okay, so that is the normal distribution for the sample mean that we need to do the calculations. So in order to find out the probability that the average number of words per page that is less than 410. So first step, we have to carry out standardization. Taking 410 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So you can see the standard deviation is 26.8 square over 6. So this is supposed to be the variance. So I'm going to square root this number, and that is why I'm going to get 26.8 and divided by square root 6. Okay, so press calculator. Find out the values to 3 decimal places, giving us 0.640. Okay, now just a quick check on the bell-shaped curve. A standardized bell-shaped curve, 0 in the middle, and when the z-score is 0.640, which is slightly on the right-hand side of 0.640, then we are looking for the area towards the left. All right, then refer to the formula MF19. Refer to the normal distribution table given. So when the z-score is 0.6 and 4, here is 4, then the probability, which is the area under the graph, is given as 0.7389. All right, so that will be the probability we want, 0.7389. Now, of 3 significant will be 0.739. All right, so that is the probability we found. Okay, that's all for this video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.